My Picotee pink begonia has bloomed. It's so pretty. Look at that. Looks like a rose. So happy. And the begonias are just loving it. Loving the cooler weather. But this one is taking its time, very slow, and only one came up. So that's it. Ganda pa naman yan. But this, I'm happy also. It's just one plant. Only one plant came up. And our geraniums. So many blooms, so many buds. Still to come, but the others are already on its way out. But so many blooms. The blanket flowers, so pretty. This one, it's drooping, I don't know. There's a hole in the center. And our, what do you call this, hydrangea, which did not bloom last year because I think it lacked sun. And now my husband transferred here in front, and now look at it. It has lots of blooms. And this one, so many. 3. This one starting red. And look at that. Red. Very red coneflower. And the very big rose. But it's hidden by this very large, wide, what do you call that? Yarrow. And then a rose. Lots of blooms. That's the true passion. True passion. What do you call that? Forgot. True passion, true bloom rose. And then this one's just so nice. It's been I think that's a salvia, and it's been just popping up. It's supposed to be an annual, but it comes back. I think it's the 3rd year that it has come back. And that one, I think it has meron na namang beetle. I will remove that. And are very blue hydrangea. So happy. And coreopsis, little flowers. Okay, I think I will remove that beetle if ever there is one. Okay. Hello, good morning. It's cold today, a cold morning, or pretty cool, 65 degrees. And I just wanted to show all my blooming flowers before I take a walk. So I'm just so happy with my gladiolus. Now I remember what the name of this flower is. So red, and we all know that I love red. So here goes the red gladiolus with the purple, the one that has bloomed first. And of course, the cone flowers, really a lot. And it's so good. They're so pretty. And our tiger lilies, they have opened, they have bloomed. And I think they're bigger now than last year. I remember saying or thinking to myself that these tiger lilies looked small last year. But now I'm happy they're back to their usual size for me, that is. And also, Our roses have new buds starting to bloom again, but this one is so nice. It looks perfect. And I'm happy to say that our white rose has grown and it has a bud. And I will going to protect that. I will spray, or I think I sprayed last time, last yesterday. I sprayed anti-deer. And also, there's one tiger lily here. It's self-seeded. I don't think we planted that. And now that the white oriental lilies have gone, this one, I think they call it a stargazer. So we have 7 of that. And they smell good too. I don't know if they're the ones who smell good. Let me see. Oh, yeah, they smell good. These ones are the one that bloomed first, and they're on their way out. So stargazers and the hostas. See, their blooms are nice too. You have 2 flower stalks with our hosta, and here 3 flower stalks. And it's just that my dahlia, the bunny ate my dahlia. I know they're not supposed to be eaten. Bunnies and deers don't like dahlia. But then look at this. It was chopped off, the top portion, so it will take a while for it to bloom. But I'm so happy also to show that my begonias have grown a little bit, so they're bigger than previously. And obviously I have to pull some weeds out, but they look good. See, they're more noticeable. And that is the garden. And my dahlias also here. They have more blooms. I deadheaded yesterday and removed the spent blooms. Just so happy. And I trimmed the forsythia. It was getting so tall. And here are white hibiscus. They have buds. They are ready to bloom anytime or maybe 2 weeks. Hmm. And here is my other dahlia. The- that's orange. It's getting ready to bloom. Okay. Here, the hydrangea is getting ready. And the coneflower, so pretty. And my red rose has 2 buds. Coneflowers. And the limetta still has flowers. And asters. I remember the name. Getting ready to. And hibiscus hydrangea. Large blooms. As well as this blue one. And a pink rose. There. And our boxes. What do you call that? The geraniums, begonias have bloomed. Hibiscus, red marvel, it has buds now, lots of buds. So I can't wait to see the flowers. And I'm so happy also with the coneflowers that I bought. It was on clearance last year. So it's goodbye. And here, hydrangea, and also the balloon flowers. Look at that. Lots of blooms. It was also on clearance. Everything I bought was on clearance, or almost everything. So that balloon flower and that other one, it has lots of buds still. And then the hydrangea, still blooming. And our box again. The begonias are very nice. And here, look at that. Geraniums. Lots of flowers, or although some of them are all already on their way out, but I still have lots of buds there. Mm. And here, our begonia. There, see, so nice. And I have the red one here, the bottom. Also here, we have yellow and red. There. On that side, I think it's yellow. There. Yellow bud. And our rose. And also our Piketty. Piketty begonia. Look at that. It's so pretty. See, Piketty. And I think there's another bud there. And this one is taking its time, the tuberous begonia. I already put it here so that the leaves will not burn. And just so happy also with this begonia. There are only two plants there and they have grown. And the petunias, they always appear in springtime. And just so happy also that our Rose of Sharon has started to bloom. So this was fully opened yesterday. And see, there are lots of buds. Okay, so I will walk today. That's it for now. So I'm walking and it's a bit, call that. They have a air quality warning. It's been going on since yesterday, and I think they say there's smoke coming from Canada. There's a wildfire. I don't know. So I thought at first it was fog yesterday afternoon, but it was so hot. And until now, it's still so white. Everything's so white. Look at the sun. Anyway, uh, starting my walk for the week. I wasn't able to walk uh, for the rest of the week. Been busy with appointments. Okay, so let's start walking. It's basura day today. That's why lots of garbage cans. Okay. And just an update on our rose cuttings. So they have lots of leaves in this one. It has a bud and also this one. So we'll be able to know what color rose these are actually. So here is a small bud. This one, that one, and that one. And the others, no, no buds. This one, it's a bit drying up. That one, oh, it's not focused. That one, it's drying up a bit. So I don't know. I hope it doesn't die. And this one, I think it still has hope. And these, my tomatoes, they have flowers. So hopefully we'll see some tomatoes soon. There, there, and they're looking good. Hopefully we'll get some tomatoes soon. And my sunflowers here, still doing okay. And our marigolds, they have blooms. There, there. Okay. So everything is looking good. I just need to do some weeding and finish the mulching. Okay. So no signs of the bunnies. Good. I hope they already transferred to another place. Okay. So get some water. Need to drink and then work again. My sunflowers. Big, big, big. I'm planning to put this other dahlia here. Okay, so planning to plant. Ang ganda.